to cycle in between.
The actual model number, the specific model number. Okay. All right, go ahead.
So it's tumble clockwise. Next. Low speed spin.
High speed spin. So it's spinning nice, that's a good sign. So it's not your bearings. In that valve. Press it. Okay, other in that valve. Okay, how many in that valve? Then there's one more in that valve.
Main wash, then it's hot water.
Okay, do it again. Okay, so all the inlet valves are working.
Now it's bleed.
You can do one more. Okay. Sure, go ahead.
And now we're going to
And
get
now
to the
drain.
pump.
Now is what we want to hear the sound. Okay. That's it. So it's
Yeah.
a drain. Okay.
There it is. Still. Oh, cracks.
Okay. That's it. Feed that through. Pull and move to the side. This one. This one. That one should stick. Just won't print these out.
We can go back.
Okay, it's gonna lift up. Here.
There we go. It's being stubborn. There we go.
1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, that's one right there, and that one.
God, it's listening. You never know. It's really. Universal pain. I was only in the back. First.
Okay, there. Now you can yank the hose off. Okay. Good. And because we're gonna want to get a vacuum on that hose too to make sure it's not clogged. Okay. Okay, good. So, as a young artist, you know, I'm drawing portraits, and I was like, I'm looking at your scar. Okay, that's our pump.
Gonna both off.
And then slide it off. Okay. Show the new pump to the camera. And let's see that sticker on the side in front of the camera. There you go. There you go. Good edit. Oh, it wasn't, the hole wasn't piloted deep enough. See, this one's going in all the way, no problem. Kind of get your third one in.
It's going in smoothly.
Okay, there you go. Good. Now, when you're all done, get all bottom, what it looks like to me. Exactly. Okay, black on top, red on bottom. Make sure it slides in there nice and snug, right on the spade. These are called spade. You're good. So get it flush, and then just, it's real easy actually. It just slides from there. It is. So, all the way down. Yeah, there you go. You're good. Okay. Now try to pull it off. All right.
It's not coming out.
Okay, good.
Awkward angle. Where do you want to get in there? There we go. There we go. There we go. There we go.
That's good. There, push it in. Push it in. There, open in the bottom. Snap. Okay. Throw a feet. Line it up. And just that. Good. Get your hands. Oh, just stick a screwdriver in there or something in one of those holes and get the leverage on it that way.